Hello everybody, welcome back, and in this video we'll be checking out Southwest Florida's future updates. So as we can see, they did post a couple new cars here in the Southwest Florida Trello. First off, we have a 2021 Chevy Camaro 2SS remodel. So this car is already in game, it is getting remodeled. Looks pretty good so far, pretty nice. And then we have this limited car. It is a 2013 BMW M3 GTS. 2013. This car is pretty cool. Have a wing in the back, carbon fiber here on the roof, and this car overall just looks really nice. I really love the rims, pretty nice. And then we have a 2013 BMW M3, not limited. Still looks really nice. I think this would be a really fun and good daily driver maybe. And then we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz right here. This also is a remodel. This car is already in game, and I actually really like these side mirrors. Carbon fiber actually looks super nice. This car here actually looks really good. And then we have another Mercedes right here, 2009. Pretty nice. This car looks pretty cool. Looks really cool, pretty nice. And then we have a 2008 Mercedes-Benz CLK63 AMG or AGM. Pretty cool, pretty nice rims actually. These rims look pretty nice car. And then this car still hasn't came in game yet, but I think it's coming soon. It's in testing right now, ready, hold. But it's a 2013 Ford Mustang GT convertible, pretty nice convertible, pretty nice. And then right here, boats, boats, pretty cool. There's some boats that they're working on. Here are some boats. This one's actually pretty detailed, pretty nice boats. And right here it says boats are in dev and boats are on hold. Pretty nice. And then we have lifeguard job, award system. These are all planned right here. Then minimap is on hold. Service side tire marks hold. Boats are on hold. It's also in dev. And then rewrite profile service and UI. This is in dev. Pretty cool. And then vehicle customization is phase, and all these too. Pretty cool. So yeah, we also do have a couple more cars that they're working on in the Southwest Florida Discord server, so we'll hop right on over there and check them out. Alrighty, here we are in the Southwest Florida Discord server, and right here they working on the animation here for the Porsche. Pretty nice. It actually looks really cool, really good. And then we have a car right here. This car actually looks super cool. This car looks really cool. Here it is again, pretty nice. And we got the Porsche. This actually looks really nice, pretty cool. And then we have a Ferrari and this boat here. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed. I think I'm going to conclude the video here. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.